Today you're going to learn how to build a simple color theme toggle in SwiftUI. So as you can see, you can easily click on this toggle to switch between light mode and dark mode. You can see the image change as well as the background color. And now let's get started. First, you need to make sure to have a SwiftUI project open in Xcode. So we're going to get started by removing all of this. And then we're going to create our first state variable. So state private var, and this is going to check whether dark mode is enabled or not. So is dark mode, and it's going to be false by default. And then we're going to move on to the body now. We're going to start by creating vertical stacks, so v stack like this, and then we're going to create an image like this, and it's going to take in system name like this. And so we're going to check if dark mode is on, so like this is dark mode, and then question mark. So if it's on, we're going to return moon.circle, and then otherwise we're gonna do sun.max.circle, right? So this is very simple. Right now it's false, which means it should return this one, which you can see on the screen, but it's a little bit small. So what we're gonna do next is change the font here. So font.system and make it larger. So size, let's go with 128. So as you can see now it's bigger, but it's still black. So what we can do for this is foreground style like this, and then if it's dark mode we're gonna do dot white, and otherwise we're gonna do dot orange, which is gonna make the sun become orange, as you can see here. And then let's add some padding, and now what we're gonna do is add the toggle to switch between light and dark mode. So toggle here, and this takes in a parameter of is on and then a binding here, which means we need to use the $sign and then is dark mode, right? So that means when we click on the toggle, the dark mode is gonna change. And now we're gonna just add some text here, and we're gonna say toggle dark mode, and then let's say font dot headline to make it bold, and then add some padding as well. And let's also add padding here. Now, one thing that is left is to change the background color. So what we can do here is just add the preferred color scheme like this, and then it will automatically change the background color. So is dark mode dot dark and then dot light like this. You can also add some padding to the V stack as well. Now that's pretty much it. Let's actually try and see if it works, right? So right now it's sun. You can see the sun, right, in orange, and then the background is white because dark mode is false, right? So when we click on it, it's supposed to turn black in terms of the background, and the image is supposed to become a white moon. So let's try that. So as you can see, it works. Let's click on it again. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you learned something new, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.